Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So for our group project today, I'll be explaining to you about my lab, which is called Ospf. So let's just get straight into it. So first of all, I'd like to talk about the duration of the project. How long have we been working on this project? So me and Fadlan had our own share of time, like 50-50.
What?
What?
Pardon?
What?
No.
So we both shared our own, I guess, effort into this assignment, like 50-50. Fadlan would work on this, I work on this. And in total, it took us over 32, maybe under, I don't know, between 32 hours. Alright, troubles that were ran into. So the first trouble or problem, which is the biggest trouble, which is the entire lab restarted on its own. I don't know how this happened, but the lab had restarted on its own. Number two was the trouble connection between the two laptops. So if Fadlan would turn on his VMware and then I tried to connect on my laptop, it would, there would be some trouble. Then inconsistent progression and the VLAN configuration failed. So we had to improvise. Nice. So far the lab progress is 45%. We haven't finished it entirely, but yeah. And now the lab. The lab, as you can see here, we'll talk about the configurations later, but as you can see here, we have router 1 in the center in area 0, which is the pusa. But that's all about the lab. And now the configurations. Some of the configurations added were RIP, HRP, plain text authentication, MD5 authentication, distribute list on router 11 to 1, GRE tunnel. GRE tunnel actually was cancelled. Was cancelled on router 12, 11, and 13. As you can see on the top here on our lab. Here was supposed to be the GRE tunnel, but of course the lab restarted on its own, and I kind of shifted my attention towards fixing the lab first. Then we had virtual link on router 10 and 20, and stub area all in area 0. And that's about it for my explanation.
Okay, maybe for the next I will explain you about the material and the configuration on Pinect directly. Okay, I will explain first. For the first is we configure all of the IP fit on the topology, and the second is the red IP was loopback IP. Then at the branch router for the first, the second, and the third has two area Ospf. And then the second branch router has configured distribute list that direct So we can check at the 11 router 11.
Can you zoom in the text? I mean the text of configuration. Oh, okay, nice.